representing ASCBI, mabuhay! Knock knock! Hito!
Dito!
Hito ko! Basag-basag sa ulan! Walang lapitan! Pumunta ka lang sa 18th floor! May libreng kape at biskuit pa!
Hello everyone, my name is Joanna Calzote, representing from SCBI Shunwan. Knock knock! Signal ba kayo? Kasi pag nawawala kayo, hinahanap-hanap ko kayo.
Everyone, I'm Amalia Villanueva from Bacnota La Union, Hong Kong Association. Knock knock. Come back to me.
Come back to me! Who?
Come back to me, Boka. Wala ka nang magagawa kundi sundin ito. Come back to me, Boka. Puso. Lapit ka na. Siguradong huli ka. Thank you. Good afternoon to all of you. Hi, my name is Mary Jane Button from Bangar Association of Hong Kong. Knock knock. Sampung mga daliri. Sampung mga daliri na wala ang isa. Hinanap ko, andito lang pala.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat at maligayang araw ng mga puso sa ating lahat. In front of you, I'm representing Habisor. I'm joining the Miss Valentine Princess. Knock knock. Peace. Peace and thanks is the magic words. Habisor! Hello! Thank you.
Walang na po, na ginuhid ka na yung tera ng suman. Hoy, dameroin mo, dameroin mo.
Nita Magokwai. I am Susan Latawan, representing CWC, known as Cordillera Women's Club. Knock knock. Bontot. Sabi po nila, lahat ng mga igorot ay may buntot. Check na po natin kung talagang totoo. No, it's a fake news. And I, once again, Susan Latawan, representing CWC. And I, thank you.
My name is Geraldine Borella, representing Yula. Aso, pusa, daga, baboy, kubeta. Aso ang nakikita, pusa ang nasisis, daga ang laging may kasalanan. Gising sa umaga, baboy ang almusal, bago pumasok sa
kubeta. Ay, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jeneline Gabin, representing Guardians Philippines Anti-Crime Organization Hong Kong. May ulam na ba kayo? Pwes, ako na lang ulam ninyo. Malambot. Sexy? Hindi. Buto-buto. Alam niyo ba kung anong klaseng pagkain ako? Chicharon. Alam niyo na kung bakit? Maingay pag kinakain! Good afternoon, everyone. I am Meloin Bangiao Pablo, 33, representing Ifugao Community. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Ivana.
Ivana, who?
Ivana spend the rest of my life with you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Adeline Sardinola, representing Guardian Magic Group Insight. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Guardian.
Guardian who?
Guardianin mo ang asawa mo. Baka agawin ng iba. Maputo for 7 ka. Tulala today and forever. And thank you.
Guardianin mo! Guardianin natin ang asawa mo!
Siyempre ito mga kaibig.
Wait, skip wait.
Hindi na kailangan mag-judge.
Mula sa grupong Guardian. Andy Santos. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Alindaria.
Alendario! Naka!
Kalendaryo.
Lampas sa kalendaryo! Lampas sa kalendaryo na lang siya, no? Lampas sa kalendaryo na.
Lampas na sa kalendaryo.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jacqueline Foronda, representing Kabisig Society Association. Mabuhay! Knock knock.
Who's there?
Don Luis.
Don Luis who?
Don Luis, our girlfriend was hot like me. Good afternoon, everyone. Ang nag-iisang prinsesa ng La Union Federation of Hong Kong. Knock knock. Nagmahal. Nagmahal. Nasaktan. Nakamove on. At nagmamahal ulit. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Christine Jane Montgomery from the beautiful Association of Luna by God. Knock knock.
It's me, Shane. Pwede bang papasukin mo ako? Diyan, sa puso mo. And thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Josephine Salabis of Baguio City, representing Mavica Inable Showcase. Diaper! Dear Cupido, wag mo na naman akong tatamaan sa maling tao. Kung ayaw mo, huhugarin ko ang diaper. And I thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ruth Marcos Opet, representing the Mountain Province Federation of Hong Kong. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Susie.
Susie who?
Mahal, huwag kang mag-alala. Marami na mamaalikid sa akin. Nasa'yo pa rin ang susi ng puso ko. And I thank you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Lisa Fajardo, representing One Visayas of Hong Kong. Knock knock! It's none of my business, kaya naka-sneakers. Thank you!
Ano yun?
It's none of my business.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Juan Pagan, the Unifier of Basia City, Iloilo Association. Knock knock. Alright. I'm fine, thank you. How are you too? Overseas Worker Association. Knock knock. Puso.
Puso who?
Kapag tumibok ang puso, walang iba kundi sundin ito. Kapag tumibok ang puso, lagot ka siguradong huli ka. And I thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you, wearing 100% confidence. My name is Romary Bingado, representing Paganyans Hong Kong. Knock knock. New Zealand. New Zealand ka sa mundo ito. Magintuan ang magulang mo. And I thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Cherry Cirillo, representing Santiago, Hong Kong. Everyone, knock knock. Camera. Camera ba kayo? Kasi kung palapit pa lang ako, pinapangiti nyo na ako. My name is Baby Pico, representing Santol Association of Naksa, Lola Basyang. Lola Basyang lang sa puso ko, kaya mong sakalan ko. And I thank you.
A pleasant afternoon to everyone. I am Melka Sampunitas, representing San Unity Hall, Iloilo.
Knock knock. Butter. Butter talent? Done never. And I thank you. Aspiring to inspire before I expire. Magandang hapon po, nagkaganda ang dilag at maligayang araw ng mga puso ko sa ating lahat. Knock knock. Will. Will you be my Valentine? Joining you today is from the surfing capital of the North, Nalawigan ng La Union. This is Christine Joy Liza Ople, 28, the Valentine Princess of Solid Bagong Bayani Movement. Before I end, let us spread the love, not the legs. Maraming salamat po. I'm Mary Grace Dalipi, presenting from South Cotabato Migran Association. Knock knock. Tiger. Tiger, Pating, Leon, Kambing. Kailan nyo ako mapapansin? Tiger, Pating, Leon, Kambing. Hindi mo pinapansin. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Cecil Cepeda, 47 years old, representing Star Pinoy Hong Kong Rovers. Knock knock. Magic sarap! Magic sarap? Ikagagalit mo ba na ang tunay na sarap ay malalakhaw sa tulad namin? Chubby at sexy! Kaya sa buwan ng February, kayong mga lalaki, maghanap kayo ng mga chubby! May una na, may kutsak ka pa! Good afternoon, everyone. Joanna Flores is standing in front of you, representing Sulong Bawang, Hong Kong. Knock knock. Lava. I had a dream. I hope will come true. That you're here with me, and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth see the sky up above. I love you. I love you. Thank you.
Timing pag
Nakla. Melon, kangkong, mais, gulaman, talong. I'm Maria Cristina Mendoza, representing the group of massage therapy, Yumela, Hong Kong. Knock, knock. Agata. I got a feeling tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's, everyone.
Valentine's is not just for partners, couples, or lovers. It's for everyone. Standing part of you, I'm Elvina Pasilas, a prinsesa ng United Tabangan Mission Call of Mindanao Federation. Knock knock.
Para makita lahat ng mga judges.
Janice de Belen. I'm tripping, Janice de Belen. I'm tripping, Janice de Belen. One day 'cause I'm falling in love. From north to south, east to west, Filipinos the best. I'm here proud of you because I'm not in the back. I'm standing here because I'm not sitting. Before I introduce myself, judges, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I, Lord Beth Roger Agwang from United Suliganon, representing Mindanao Federation Hong Kong! Dangerous. All the time, your nose and my little back dangerous. And that's the one you got to make it. You know someone up with a pin to the pin. You know it's my little back dangerous. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jenny Velasco Pongpong from the province of City of Beautiful, province of Camarines North, Bicol region. And I do represent the AIM OFW Incorporated Hong Kong. And this is my knock knock. Like a virgin. Touch for the very first time. Like a virgin. Like your body. Oh, and thank you. And after that, as I don't believe in saying, and this my message is for overseas Filipino workers here at Hong Kong. I do believe in saying that challenge, everyone. Challenge is not the reason to give up. It is the reason to look better and make ourselves stronger. My family is my inspiration, our inspiration. And God is our salvation. That's all. Thank you! Good afternoon, everyone. Standing in front of you, Michelle Group, representing World Medical Support Services USA Hong Kong Chapter. Hong Kong Chapter, women! Ang ating knock-knock ay para sa inyo, sa inyong lahat na hanggang ngayon, umaasa pa rin ang pagdating sa pag-ibig. Knock-knock! Yan pa na!
Yan pala ho!
Hindi
Ayan. For sure, mahirapan natin mga judges kung sino sa kanilang pinakamagandang anak na